Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will figure out a way to fetch the schema name from the system. In order to fetch the schema name, we will use one special register of DB2, which is current schema. With this, we can easily fetch the schema name. So to use this, I will create one program. I have already created one program, so I will show you the code. So here what we are doing, we have declared one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros, and this constant we will use to verify the query at the end. And after that I have declared one variable result variable which is of type character of length 20. This variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Afterward we have set the commitment to star none, and this is optional thing because from this program we are not going to update anything, so in that case I can just skip that portion if I want. Okay, here you can see we are using the actual query with a special register. So for that you just need to write exec SQL, which is for execute SQL, select current schema. So what it will do, this is the special register, the thing which I have just highlighted, current schema. So it will fetch the current schema, and this is a special register, and that fetched value will be stored into the host variable result, and it is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. So this is how it will work. Syntax is quite simple. We are not passing anything because this is not any it is not a function, it is a special register. So you just need to write current schema and that's it. Once your query is executed, we will check for the SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, then display result, else display SQL state with a message query ended with an error. Then do endif inlr on. Okay, so let's quickly compile this program, and after that I will call it. So yeah, calling it. So here you can see it is printing the schema as star libl. Okay, fine. Now same thing, if you would like to implement over the strSQL, then you can write strSQL, then write select current space schema, and this space is very important because if you remove this space and hit enter, it will give error, right? So make sure that you keep space here. So write select current space schema from sys ibm.systeme1, and then simply hit enter. So once you hit enter, it will show that current schema is star libl. Okay, so whenever there is any requirement where you want to fetch the schema, then you can use this current schema special register of DB2. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.